what's up everybody? It's Mike from Cornfield Customs, and today I'm going to be mandrel bending some 66 to 77 Ford Bronco rails, but they have an extended wheelbase of 32 inches for a client. So I'm going to bend those in 2x4 by 1/8 wall, so stick around and check it out. All right, and that's a wrap up on the 2 pairs of 66 to 77 Bronco rails. If you're interested in other tube bending videos, make sure to check out some of those videos here on the channel, where I go through a lot more of the in-depth process of programming the machine, layout, and overall bending. So again, if you're interested in checking that out, I've got tons of videos on here that cover a lot more of that information in detail. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video as well as many of my others, and we will catch you guys on the next one.